Alright, let's talk about XCN real quick. XCN is currently trading around 0.0054. We are left with 1 day and 6 hours until this current weekly candle comes to a close. Now, my entry is still very, very valid. My spot buy entry for XCN coin, ONYXCOIN is still very, very valid. I still kind of believe we are going to maybe briefly lose this zone and then tap into this territory before getting an aggressive bounce immediately to the upside. It is going to happen very fast, which a lot of people who are wanting to manually buy won't get that opportunity. I think something like that is likely to happen, and fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. If you're here to like this XCN video, smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. You're welcome. My name is Isaac. So the risk to reward here is extremely profitable. This is over 1,000, more than 1,400% pump from our entry by the time XCN eventually grants us that opportunity. But if the opportunity isn't provided, it's okay. I'll continue holding my previous XCN bag. Although I think I'm even expecting a slight bounce from where XCN is currently trading, which I talked about as well in the previous video. I'm expecting a slight bounce from here to the upside and then eventually correct back to properly tap into this, my entry zone. Now, the entry zone is between 0.0030 and also 0.0026. The stop loss price is clearly given here. The stop loss price is 0.001384 for XCN coin. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. We are going to briefly talk about BTC price, BTC dominance price update, the BTC price update, the others chart price update real quick in this video. Before then, let's even check what the current market cap of XCN is. As at the time of making this video, XCN is seated at $203 million in market cap. Although the trading volume is not looking interesting at the moment, we are currently below $6 million in trading volume. This isn't looking good at all. That is to say, the trading activity on XCN has dropped massively. We need to see the trading activity increase in order to draw more eyeballs to ourselves, which is going to happen soon. So let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. The BTC dominance is still currently seated at 58.85%. We are left with 14 days and 6 hours until this current monthly candle comes to a close. Now, just like we had in 2017, 2021, by the time the BTC dominance start correcting aggressively to the downside, just like it did in 2017 and 2021 altcoin season, the altcoin market is going to explode in price to the upside massively. So we are expecting that crash to happen very, very soon. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. And so if you're paying attention to the BTC price as well, I gave you guys this chart a few weeks ago. It was a few weeks ago. That was November 2025, right? Yeah, I showed you guys this chart and I told you guys history is likely to repeat herself, just like we did here in 2022 when we broke below the 50 exponential moving average, flipped it into a resistance and then continued the correction to the downside. So the history just repeated. We broke below it, consolidated, flipped it into a resistance, and we have now corrected to the downside to around $60,000 for BTC. So I won't be surprised if BTC loses the $60,000 zone next. We are currently trading around $69,726. So I won't be surprised if BTC finally finds her bottom between the 55k and also 45k territory for BTC. If that is happening, it's going to be another massive opportunity to buy more altcoins, to buy more of your favorite altcoins. So there's no cause for alarm at all. And we might not even get to the $40,000 zone. We might just stop maybe above the $50,000 bottom there and then continue our rally all the way to 200k for BTC. The market makers might end up front running a lot of limit order below the $50,000 level. You never can tell. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is not looking good at the moment. It's currently, although it has recovered from what we saw 2 days back, which was below I think it was around 5 then. We are now currently seated at 9. Today is 14th of February 2026. Happy Valentine to you all. So I think it's not over until it's over. Sooner or later, we are going to begin to rally into the grid territory for the cryptocurrency market fear and greed index. So the orders chart is likely to repeat. History is likely to repeat herself with the orders chart. Just like I've said countless times, the 2019-2020 playbook is likely to repeat herself this year. And as you can see, it's obviously happening. The last time we bottomed in that 2019 era was August 1st. 2019, when the quantitative tightening came to an end. And also we bottomed, December 1st, 2025, when the quantitative tightening also came to an end. And ever since that bottomed, what has happened? We've printed 2 bullish candles already to the upside. So as long as we hold above this multi-year trend line, there's no cause for alarm. There's no reason to panic sell your altcoin bag at all. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe. Peace out.